Samsung will unveil the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55 tomorrow. Ahead of the official unveiling, the Galaxy A55 5G has been unboxed, showcasing its awesome blue colorway. This is the Galaxy A55 first looks with a metal frame. As you can see, it's look too much premium. The Galaxy A55 has a flat back panel and display, 3 individual circular camera cutouts, and an Infinity O display. It looks very similar to the Galaxy S24. The images show the handset in 3 color options: black, light blue, and pink. The middle frame appears to have a metallic finish. Samsung Galaxy A55 has been tipped to carry a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy A55 is its new Exynos chipset. The Exynos 1480 will be the first mid-range chip from Samsung to sport an AMD GPU. It scored 1 to 180 points in the single-core CPU performance test and 3,536 points in the multi-core CPU performance, with 8 GB RAM on board. And it's going to launch Android 14 out of the box with One UI 6 on top. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is said to get a 50-megapixel primary sensor alongside a 12-megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens at the back, a 32-megapixel front camera sensor. It is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery with 25W wired charging support and offer an IP67 rating for dust and splash resistance. Even if there's a price rise on the Galaxy A55, it'll still probably be under the $500 mark. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.